Welcome back to Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. We got something special to me today. It's that time of the year, so we're gonna be doing some turkey, a smoked turkey. I'm gonna show you how to do a smoked turkey at home on your own home grill. I got some new seasoning, so I want you to check it out. So let's get into the ingredients to show you what my compound butter that I'm gonna slap on it, and we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna talk about the ingredients. Here we got turkey breast, a whole turkey breast here. We got to do also too. I got some compound butter with some original Uncle Steve's shake in there, and I'm gonna try out his competition bird powder for the turkey. And also too, last but not least, this is my liquid smoke. A lot of people don't use it and stuff like that, but I use it. So if you're ever in the store with some liquid smoke, this is really good. Give it a little smoky taste. We're gonna go out there to the pit when I put it on, but we're gonna be seasoning it with the compound butter. And season it, and then we're gonna get out. All right, so we're gonna apply the compound butter on there. Normally I lift the little skin up. Don't be afraid of the turkey, but lift it up. To make a way under the skin and put some of the butter in. So this is one side of it. So you just slide it on in there, like to smooth it out. Smooth it out of the skin and stuff like that to get that flavor under there. And flip it on the other side, and do the same exact thing. Just lift up the skin. It's not that hard. Lift up the skin. Slide your finger under there, like that. Slide it around so you get all the way in there and stuff like that. And then all you gotta do is, put a little butter on there. Like I said, this is that Uncle Steve's original competition seasoning with my little compound butter and garlic. Pretty simple, compound butter to add on there. Anytime you're dealing with any kind of turkey, poultry, butter is always your friend. All right, so what I'll do is smooth it out. Put the rest of it on the outside of it, so I'll stand it up so you can see what I'm talking about. And just smooth it in with your hands and stuff like that around it. And this will help adhere to the seasoning once I put the seasoning on and stuff like that. In the cavities and stuff like. Not have to be all crazy stuff because the grill gonna do the rest of the work and stuff. So you don't need a lot of it. Some people you see slather a whole bunch of butter on it and stuff like that. You don't have to do that. Just put enough to kind of grease it up. Rub it on in. Don't be cute about it. Just do what you have to do. You're about to get dirty, so definitely get some gloves. When you're dealing with poultry or any kind of, chicken base, you got to remember salmonella poisoning. So make sure you have some gloves. Don't cross-contaminate this, none whatsoever, because that'll be a problem. Make sure you wash everything out and stuff like that. So you see it's brand new, Uncle Steve's seasoning. I'm about to open it up. So, don't be shy about it. Season it generously and stuff like that on there. Smells pretty good. Pat it on in so it can stick. Don't pat it too much. Flip it over. All right, and just season it evenly, stuff like that. Don't forget get into the cavities and stuff of it. You want to fully season well and everything like that. And then once I finish seasoning it, we'll be putting it over into the grill. All right, now it's time to put the turkey breast on the grill. I'm gonna explain why I got the charcoal over there. You can use any type of charcoal, hickory, apple, whatever wood you like. All right, so don't forget to have it stand up if you want to get smoke on all sides and stuff like that. And you see how I lined the charcoal? Like to one side to try to smoke it so I won't overcook it. And all we're gonna do is just turn it, say look back, come back around 30 minutes, and turn it and stuff like that, and then it should be done. So it's pretty good. Now that the turkey breast has been smoked on one side, what we're gonna do is switch it to the other side to, finish smoking for the rest of the hour, and we'll do an hour and a half, next to finish it off. And then after that, we're gonna take it out the oven, like that, and let it rest. Do not cut it immediately because you're gonna dry out your chicken breast. Sorry about that, your turkey breast. You know, this turkey breast, you know what I'm saying, you know, it can be real finicky. You can overly cook it, so don't, you know what I'm saying, cook it too longer than about an hour and a half and stuff like that. That's total time and everything with the full cook and stuff. So as it rests, we're gonna be slicing it up, but let it rest for about a good 20 minutes, you know, and then you can be able to serve it after that. You know what I'm saying, it's looking good. You see it's golden brown and everything like that. So we're gonna slice it up real nicely to be served. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was really good, really easy and simple if you follow the instructions. Smoking is not that hard, you know what I'm saying, you guys, if you ever want to smoke your turkey or turkey breast. But thanks for stopping and chopping and grilling with your boy KC, and I'll see you in the next dish.